If you're over 60, this one exercise may be better for you than walking. As a registered nurse and yoga teacher, in this video, I'll share with you the top science-informed benefits of why you should try rebounding, and I'll also share with you a 2-minute health bounce to get you started today. And this video is sponsored by Mini Trampoline by Fed Fitness, but more on them later. The first reason you should try rebounding is to support your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system's job is to move excess fluid, waste, and immune cells through the body, and it relies on gentle movement and breathing to do so. So by rebounding on this mini trampoline for just 1 to 2 minutes a day, you can help improve your circulation and move that lymph, especially in the lower body. But that's just one reason why you should try this, especially if you're over 60. Before we go into the next reason, I'd love to invite you to join my weekly wellness newsletter where I share inspiring stories and tips and tools to get you started on your health journey. The second reason you should try rebounding is to support your balance and stability. Balance is one of the most important predictors in independence as we age, and every bounce requires small and controlled adjustments through the lower body and the brain. And this challenges your brain, your inner ear, and those stabilizing muscles to all at the same time. So research consistently shows that this rebound style training improves balance very quickly. And better balance equals less risk of falls, which is so empowering. My favorite rebounder is this one. It's the Soft Land 40-inch rebounder, and I love it because it has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. Also, it has adjustable tension bungee straps, so you can adjust how challenging you want it to be. It's quiet and perfect for people that live in apartments. It also has this cute little phone holder that I can just put my phone in and watch a video while I do a workout. And to get a 10% discount, go ahead and check out the link below. The third reason you need to try rebounding is better strength without joint stress. So rebounding is actually a form of strength training. This mat creates a gentle resistance through your lower legs and your core, and you're strengthening your feet, your ankles, your hips, and your pelvic floor without pounding on your joints. And this makes it a great option for folks that have difficulty walking or traditional workouts just feel too hard on their body. And the final reason you should try rebounding is to support your mobility. Mobility is how easily you move throughout your daily life. And studies show rebound style exercise can improve walking speed and movement effectively. Small, consistent sessions really do add up, and I encourage you to start small and then grow from there. Next, I'm going to share with you a 2-minute health bounce to get you started. Okay, so if you're ready, go ahead and step onto your rebounder, plant the feet about hips width apart, and then ground the feet into the earth. And here we go, 2 minutes here. Hands can be on the bars. Feel a softness in the knees, feel softness in your shoulders, relax your jaw and the skin of your face. And this is enough. This counts as a workout right here. So just 2 minutes on the rebounder can be very effective, helping support your lymphatic system, your mobility. All the muscles in your body, including your heart, are at work right now. And if you're ready for more structure and deeper support with myself, I'd love to encourage you to join my online community. It's called Emily's Wellness Academy, and it's a supportive space for women to connect. I offer weekly fitness classes and events online that support you in your wellness journey. So to learn more about that, once we're done with the health bounce, go ahead and check out the link below. Rebounding is a simple and joint-friendly way to work out after 60. And when you start with just a couple minutes a day and gradually build, you will notice a difference over time in your circulation, in your energy levels, and your overall mental health. So I applaud you to get started. I'm so proud of you, and just keep going. Small, consistent habits really build up over time. So we have about 30 more seconds. Keep pressing the feet into the mat. The feet never have to leave the mat if you choose not to. You could play with a hand or two coming off the bar here. By now, maybe you're feeling this in your calf muscles, the back of the legs. Keep breathing through. We have about 10 seconds to go. So proud of you, showing up for yourself, practicing self-care for 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Go ahead and take a break here and just notice how you feel. Great job. I am so proud of you. And now that you know the benefits of rebounding and how to get started with good form, let's keep this momentum going. It all starts by watching this video next because it's a perfect follow-up and will help you get stronger in your routine, improve your energy, and support your lymphatic system. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care.